How to fix Instagram story views not showing. Hello guys, so to fix the story views problem is very easy and simple, so just keep watching until the end. So first thing you have to do is just open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps and then go to the apps here again, and on this page you will find all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. Just wait a few seconds and scroll down like this, click on Instagram. After that, click on the force stop option. After that, all what you have to do now is very simple. Click on data usage, make sure to enable all those options. After that, reopen Instagram and congratulations. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel to see more educational videos. See you later.